The Dragon Boat Festival is a traditional Chinese holiday that is best known in modern China to commemorate the death of the famous poet and minister Qu Yuan of the ancient state of Chu during the Warren State period of the Zhou dynasty. Qu served in high positions as a cadet member of the Chu royal house. However, when the king decided to ally with the increasingly powerful state of Qin, Qu was banished for opposing the alliance and even accused of treason. During his exile, Qu Yuan wrote a great deal of poetry. 28 years later, Qin captured Ying, the Chu capital. In despair, Qu Yuan took his own life by drowning in the Milo River. The locals who admired him are claimed to have raced out in their boats to save him or at least retrieve his remains. This is said to have been the origin of the dragon boat races. When his body could not be found, they dropped sticky rice balls into the river so that the fish would eat them instead of Qu Yuan's body. This is said to be the origin of Zhongzi. Let's review the following words. Number 1. Commemorate. 纪念缅怀 We commemorate those who lost their lives in the war. 我们缅怀那些在战争中丧生的人。Number 2. Minister. 名词部长、大臣、神父。动词服侍。The foreign minister. 外交部长。Her doctor was busy ministering to the injured. 她的医生正在忙着照顾伤员。Number 3. Warren States period. 战国时期。Number 4. Cadet. 军校学员。那 Air Force Cadet. 空军学员。Number 5. Royal. 王室的、皇家的。The Royal Family. 王室 A Royal Visit. 皇家的来访。Number 6. Ally. 名词同盟国、盟友、支持者。动词 ally. 结盟、支持。The United States is a close ally of Britain. 美国是英国的亲密盟友。When the king decided to ally with Qin, Qu Yuan voiced opposition. 当国王决定与秦结盟时，Qu Yuan表示反对。Number 7. Banish. 赶走、流放。The children were banished from the dining room. 孩子们被赶出了餐厅。Number 8. Alliance. 结盟的国家或团体。A military alliance. 军事同盟。Number 9. Treason. 叛国罪。They were convicted of treason. 他们被判叛国罪。Number 10. Exile. 既是名词也是动词。流放、放逐、流亡。He returned after 40 years of exile. 他在流放40年后返回。A dictator who has been exiled from his country. 一个被流放出国的独裁者。